Welcome to Matrix Tutorial Part 2. In this video, we will cover types of matrices and matrix multiplication. This video is brought to you by Listen to You. In this video, we will cover 5 types of matrices: square matrix, diagonal matrix, triangular matrix, symmetrical matrix, and identity matrix. A square matrix has the shape of a square. It has equal number of rows and columns. For example, a 2 by 2 matrix and a 3 by 3 matrix. Lastly, a 4 by 4 matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix with the main diagonal. Consider the following example. The entities 7, 9, and 3 are on the main diagonal. The rest of the entities consist of only zeros. Triangular matrices. A triangular matrix is a square matrix in which all zero entities are above or below the main diagonal. There are 2 types of triangular matrices: the upper triangular and the lower triangular. The upper triangular matrix. Consider the following example. Please note that all the zero entities are below the main diagonal. The entities on the main diagonal consist of non-zeros, as well as the entities above the main diagonal. The lower triangular matrix. Consider the following example. Please note that all entities above the main diagonal are zeros. All entities on the main diagonal are non-zeros. All entities below the main diagonal are non-zeros. Matrix transpose. The matrix transpose is a result from the interchanging the rows and the columns of a matrix. It will be denoted by a to the power of t. For example, matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If we transpose matrix A, the result will equal 1, 4, 2, and 5, 3, and 6. Symmetric matrix. The matrix is a symmetric matrix since each is equal to its own transpose. Consider the following example. 4 on the opposite of the main diagonal is also 4. 5 on the opposite diagonal is also 5. 0 on the opposite diagonal is also 0. Properties of symmetric matrix. If A and B are symmetric matrices when the same size, and if K is any number, then A transpose is symmetric. A plus B and A minus B is symmetric. A times K is also symmetric. Identity matrix. A identity matrix is a square matrix with ones on the main diagonal and zeros off the main diagonal. Consider the following example. You can see that there is only 1 on the main diagonal and zeros are off the main diagonal. It is also the same here. You can see that there are 3 ones on the main diagonal and the rest of the entities are 0. Matrix multiplication. Let A be an m times n matrix and B be an n times p matrix. Then the product of A times B is the m times p matrix C. Therefore, both matrices that will be multiplied must have the corresponding entities. Consider the following example. A is a 3 by 2 matrix. It consists of 2, 1, and 6, 1, 3, and 2. Now look at B. B is a 3 by 3 matrix. It consists of 1, 0, and 3, 0, 4, and 2, 2, 1, and 1. When we do multiplication, we will see. Consider the following example from the previous example. We will take 2 times 1 plus 1 times 0 plus 6 times 2, which will equal to 14. Where the numbers 2, 1, and 6 are from row 1 entities of A, and numbers 1, 0, and 2 are from column 1 entries of B. Consider the following example. We will take the first row, which consists of 2, 1, and 6, and multiply it with the first column, which consists of 1, 0, and 2. When we sum answers, we will get 14. We will begin with taking 2 multiplied by 1, plus 1 multiplied by 0, and 6 multiplied by 2. The answer will be 14. Consider the following example. C12 will equal to 2 times 0 plus 1 times 4 plus 6 times 1, which will equal to 12. Where 2, 1, and 6 are from row 1 entities of A, and 0, 4, and 1 are from column 2 of entries B. Consider the following matrix. We will take the first row, which consists of 2, 1, and 6, and multiply it with the second column, which consists of 0, 4, and 1. The result will equal. We will start off with 2 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 4, and 6 multiplied by 1. We will take the answer and sum them all up. It will equal to 10. Therefore, C13 will be equal to 2 times 3 plus 1 times 2 plus 6 times 1, which will equal 14. C21 will equal 1 times 1 plus 3 times 0 plus 2 times 2, which equal 5. C22 will equal to 1 times 0 plus 3 times 2 plus 2 times 1, which equal 8. C23 will equal to 1 times 3 plus 3 times 2 plus 2 times 1, which will equal 11. After the multiplication, here is the result. Properties of matrix multiplication. We will start off with the associative property. Please note that the product of BC times A is equivalent to the product of AB times C. Moving on to the distributive property. Please note that the sum of BC times A is equivalent to the product of AB plus the product of AC. We have come to the end of matrix part 2. This video will be continued in matrix part 3. Moreover, quizzes will also be available on our website. Thank you.